Stop telling fibs. Tomic, hurry up and get ready, yells Mum from downstairs. I can't get ready, said Tomic. There's a grizzly bear in my underwear. Stop telling fibs, said Mum. Get in the car or you'll be late for school, said Mummy. I can't get in the car, said Tomic. There's a goat in my coat. Stop telling fibs, said Mummy. Time to put your things away and go to your classes, said Mr. Peters at breakfast club. I can't put my things away, said Tomic. There's a stag in my bag. Stop telling fibs, said Mr. Peters. Wrap up warm for home time, said Miss Lee. I can't wrap up warm, said Tomic. There's a kitten in my mitten. Stop telling fibs, said Miss Lee. You need to get changed for swimming, said Jen. I can't get changed for swimming, said Tomic. There are skunks in my trunks. Stop telling fibs, said Jen. Time to get ready for bed, said Mum. I can't get ready for bed, said Tomic. There are llamas in my pyjamas. Stop telling fibs. Ah! The end.